Let's talk about the Quest 3S really quickly here. I've had this thing for about a month now. Now, when I first got this, I just wanted to check it out to see how good it is compared to something like the Quest 2. There's three things that I can honestly tell you that this thing is worth it. So number one, it has the color see-through. So the hardware is almost on par with the Quest 3. There are some slight differences, like it is a little bit thicker than the Quest 3. But in terms of like internal guts, I believe that they've upgraded the camera system. A lot of it has to do with the color see-through, and it's fantastic. I think that's number one on my list right there. And number two is that I like the fact that I can actually use some of my Quest 3 accessory along with this. Yeah, this strap right here actually came from the Quest 3, this battery strap. So it works really well. I've tried a couple of other straps that I had with the Quest 3 and it works really, really well. I like the snapping system that they have. So accessory wise, I really like that a lot. The killer apps is where it's at. PlayStation has Horizon, which by the way, fantastic. The Last of Us, fantastic on the PlayStation. Xbox, anyway, let's talk about the Quest 3. The Quest 3S actually has Batman, and to me, that is a much, much better choice to include in this than the other one that they included in last year, which is called Asgard or something like that. The graphics great, but it wasn't as exciting as this one right here, which is Batman. So guys, I just want to let you know that if you get this, the included Batman game in there, that alone is worth half of the price of this, in my opinion. The first time that they tell me to move my hand up here and press the button so that I can turn on my goggles. And and then you turn your arm around and you grab the smoke bomb off of your arm. Man, so there you go. That's my top 3 reasons why I actually really think the Quest 3S is a must-have for any household that plays video games. Yeah. Anyway, I'm out. Have a good one.